Okay guys, we're going to take a look at this Royal Quiet Deluxe Typewriter. It's in really good cosmetic condition, I would say, the typewriter itself. I don't see, that's probably just some dirt. I don't really see too many dings. Like if you look at the keys are fairly clean. Here's this other side, and I will turn it around here in just a second. But let's go ahead and look in the cover here. You hit this button and this cover pops up, and I mean, it can definitely use a cleanup, but it's in pretty good condition. See, I don't really see any flaws, and everything seems to function fine as far as the keys. Nice smooth operation there. This works fine. Everything seems to work fine. It's going to be sold as is. You will of course need a new ribbon. And the bell works. That's why I'm spaced all the way over there. I have it loose right now from the cabinet, so I can turn it around. Let me do that now. Set y'all down for just a minute. Okay, here's the back side, and there's your Royal Typewriter Company Incorporated, New York, back there. Oh, I didn't put these little guys up, these little paper holder things. They are there, good condition. So yeah, typewriter itself, no worries, no issues. Put y'all down again. Okay, here's the inside of the case. It's functional. Like this, these little latches here are what secure the typewriter. Once you put it in, you just engage those four latches, and it holds it down there, and you close it up. This outside latch here works fine. There is no key for it. There's definitely some wear to the outside of the case, which from what I've seen is fairly standard. But yeah, it's solid. There's no like damage to it or anything. Okay, here's the latch. Press it in and then undo it. You just hit this little button. That's it. So yeah, that is the Quiet Deluxe Typewriter. Thanks for watching, guys.